2 steps ahead. I am always 2 steps ahead.
Nico Avocado inspired me a lot because I am fat and I hate my life. Okay, basically from the last 1 year, I've been like eating absolute garbage. Like this was my breakfast. I just ate 2 pizzas for breakfast. That's like, oh, it was not a thing you should do, bro. It's not something you should do. Okay, it's the day 1 of the weight loss journey and we are going to the body scanner. Let's get in the metro first and then I'll explain the challenge. The body scanner will basically scan my weight and everything I need to do. I need to do 3 things. 1, find the workout plan. 2, find the diet plan. And 3, I cannot skip a day. I have to work out daily and I cannot take a cheat meal.
Walk. Bro, use the stairs. Stairs.
I'm tired. We walked a total of 10 stairs. I'm tired. This is gonna be so hard.
You walk so weirdly.
No way. We are checking the damn weight in between the... Okay, this is supposed to be accurate and this is the cheapest one available, so I just got this. Okay, so we've got our body scanned and the results are... I'll reveal the results while we eat lunch. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's review my body scan while eating my last normal lunch.
Your weight is 230 pounds.
That's bad. That's bad. Okay.
Your BMI is 31.2.
Oh hell, I want to jump off a cliff right now.
And your body fat is 30.5%.
Should I eat this burrito or not at this point?
You can just give it to me.
This is going to be a very hard challenge. The next 100 days are going to be very hard. Well, let's enjoy our last burrito.
Also, you kinda need to drink water.
Add that to the list. So are we mukbanging right now?
Nicocado avocado moment.
You know, I'm gonna put him in like one of the videos. Say something.
I hate whatever this brown thing is.
That's your goddamn burrito, but okay. It's falling apart. Okay, now tell my workout routine to the boys out there, my brothers, my homies.
You don't have a female audience?
To my gender neutral brothers.
Your voiceover later on.
Okay, so let's do a voiceover while we... I don't feel like doing a voiceover, so we went to Decathlon. And it's going to be great. No doubt. I used to use these when I was fit like a year ago until something happened and then this happened. I'll tell you what happened in the later episodes probably. Okay, brothers, my gender neutral brothers, let's go. Okay, I took a bath and now let's discuss the vitals. Let's go. I'm so excited. BMI is 31, which means I'm officially obese, chat. Let's go. Comment down below, obese gang. Okay, so the first goal is obviously getting a 22 BMI, but I'll be very honest with you, it's more than that. Okay, apart from the main goal, I'll tell you that later. I am a loser right now. I am an absolute loser. It's not just about being fat, it's about having a loser lifestyle. I have a loser lifestyle. I want to change that. I wake up, I scroll on my phone, I eat whatever I want to eat. I don't talk to my family anymore. I don't meet my friends anymore. And I'll tell you why. I have a lot of body dysmorphia and I cannot leave my house because it's too awkward for me. I cannot even meet my friends I've known for years because I think they laugh at how I look, which is a serious problem. I'll fix that by the 100th day. I've also stopped doing everything I ever loved. I had so many hobbies. I had a lot of hobbies. I'm going to re-explore the hobbies and by the 100th day, we'll go from a loser to the perfect man because I am an absolute imperfect piece of loser. But also, apart from these very important goals, this is my main goal. Okay, this is the first ever merch I made, not for sale obviously, it's just, I cannot fit in this anymore. So that's the That's the saddest thing ever. I cannot fit in something I made with love. These are all the changes you should expect by the episode 100, okay? Keep me accountable. Okay, this workout looked good. I think I found the workout, yeah. Okay, I'll show this workout to you in the next episode. Till then, keep me accountable. I'll post each day for like the next 100 days. Let's go. Your next binging YouTuber for the time you eat, hopefully. Please.